Hi everyone, I am crazy excited about this one because this is my very first all matte neutral mini eyeshadow palette, the Mini SCULPT palette. This palette is inspired by the technique of face sculpting, and not only that, this is the ultimate palette to effortlessly create everything from no makeup looks to simple everyday, cut creases, and the most bold and dramatic smoky eyes. Or you can also pair this palette with other palettes and formulas using it as a structural base. This palette features a perfect progression of overtone eyeshadow shades from fair to black. It's universal and it allows sculpting and shaping of the eyes for all skin tones. The fair and light shades come in my newest silky matte formula, ensuring smooth and even application with full payoff. Look how soft and pigmented. And the medium deep and black shades come in my signature creamy matte. Both formulas are the complete opposite of dry and non-blendable. They're so soft and blend flawlessly together like butter. Just look at this. They're also buildable, something that's super rare to achieve with traditional matte eyeshadows and makes layering so easy. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. This is going to be, for everyone, the ultimate essential. Bye.